Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to show the extensions of the files or the types of the files. As you can see in this folder I have ISO files, some pictures, then a Microsoft document and one executable or a setup file, and we cannot see the extension of any of these files. So let's see how we can display them. So just click on these three dots which is next to view, and then scroll down to the last option that says options. Then folder options is going to pop up. Then just click on view tab, and here just scroll down little bit, and then you can see one option, hide extensions for known file types, and this option is selected by default. So I'm just going to untick this option and then click on apply, and now you can observe we can see the extensions of all the files. We have ISO file, JPG file, doc file, then setup file. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.